लोक कितें म्हणटात की हांगासर ते CCTV पार्किंग तुमचें आहा ते बोर्ड सारके ना म्हणटा पिनल्या म्हणटा आनी रेट्स आहा ती दिश्टी पडना आनी चार्जीस दिवपाक ते भुरगे आहा ते म्हणटा बरे तरेन उलयना गाळयो मारता आनी कितें मारता सो वॉट एक्चुअली
So now we've also noticed the boards that were listing after your report. So I've told the commissioner to send one notice to the pay parking contractor and to ask him to replace all the boards. Pending which we will start fining him until for every day until the boards have been reinstated.
some your boys are not behaving properly with the tourists and all they are telling.
Sir, in all written complaints have to come to us now. Everyone is saying everything verbally, but nothing is put officially on record. So now what are we going to tell the contractor also? Now every time the people of Panjim have raised an issue, we have spoken to the contractor. As far as the tourists now, nobody has come forward to us, so now we cannot really take action until that happens. But based on this, if somebody submits us a complaint, then obviously we will take action against the contractor also now. In terms of the boards, now we will get him to replace all of them. So.
Within how many days? Within how many days?
We'll get in touch with him. No, let him replace it at least by the end of next week. Let him replace everything.
And any changes in rates and all?
No, rates are the same.
Rates are the same.
No increase, nothing.